Everybody, Eric here. I'd like to show you how to make something called char cloth. It's great for starting fires when you're camping. Really easy to make. It's a good DIY. All you need is a metal tin. Altoids tin works great. You drill a little hole in the lid. You need some t-shirt material, 100% cotton, cut to 1 inch by 2 inch or 2 inch by 3 inch to fit inside your Altoids tin. A flame source, and then when you're ready to strike it, you're going to need something that creates a spark, like a flint and a piece of steel. I'll show you how to get started. Alright, so step one is going to be to take your cloth and put, I don't know, 3 pieces or so inside the tin. Close it up, and then put it on top of the flame. You want to have this thing dialed pretty low. You don't want a whole lot of heat, just a little bit. Alright, so as you can see, it's starting to smoke now. You want to keep going until that smoke is stopped and the cloth inside the tin is completely black. It's going to take about 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been on there for about 10 minutes now, and I've let it cool down. As you can see inside, the cloth has turned completely black. This is what you want. This is going to start a fire real quick. I'll show you how. Alright, so now that you have your char cloth, you're going to hold it onto the end of the flint stone and you're going to strike it until you catch a spark into it. There we go. It's glowing orange. You're going to stick it into some dry tinder and blow on it until it catches flame. Voila, fire. There you go. Stay warm and safe out there.